They say I cook pretty good, and that kind of works out for me. My name is Rasheed Phillips. I'm a Pitmaster, and I love the craft of barbecue. Today, we're gonna have some fun. Summer's great. Enjoying it with your friends and family is even better. We're gonna prepare a beautiful picanha. I love picanha. I love Argentina. I'm gonna keep it as traditional and as authentic as I possibly can. Beef, salt, pepper, fire, and heat. It's just that simple. We're gonna pair it with an amazing chimichurri, and whether I was on a show or not, I'm just doing the exact same. This is just a horrible. When you've got friends like this that have been in your life longer than they've been out of it, you're just always expecting them to do something. We started with an amazing cut of culotte. I love this cut. We're going to skewer these. So I'm actually wanting to cut with the grain because after I skewer them, I'll be cutting across the grain. And look at that. So we've got a very thick fat cap here. So we can actually remove just a little bit of this following the natural curve. Not too much because the fat actually tastes amazing this way. Very, very, very big believer in two-zone cooking. Majority of the times why people have flare-ups or they overcook their food or because it burns is the entire cooking apparatus is hot. There's nowhere to move. You have nowhere to take your item off from the heat and flame and allow it some time to rest and to slow down the process a bit. We've got our beef cut in a roughly 1.5 to 2 inch strips. You really can't mess this up. Like, glop on your mustard. And this mustard is gonna act as a binder to allow the rest of our rubs, which in this case, salt, pepper, to adhere.
Okay. We're just trying to figure out
Which
what we're
one's
gonna
mine?
eat.
None of these are yours. Did you put in on this? This doesn't work with table salt. You've got to get a coarse salt. Start high, aim low. Time for our coarse black pepper. This is about 16 mesh coarse black pepper. Have fun with it. Have a good time. Now we get to skewer everything. Fat cap down, fold over. We're never taking the meat off of the table. Push down, and you just pull up. But if you do it right, shouldn't move. What we're going to use is a oven-safe thermometer. In this case, meter plus. Inserted, good to go. We're going to start on our hot sear side, and we're going to go fat cap down. Let that fat cap start to render. Let's get to work on our chimichurri. Learned it in Argentina, very simple. However much parsley I'm using that exact same amount in cilantro. And just start. It's a bit of a process because you've got to go over it numerous times. The finer, the better. So I'm very happy with this. Quick little flip. Does it look like everywhere's at least hit the flame? I can see on the bottom here it needs a little bit more dried Mexican oregano. Pinch of red pepper flakes.
Do you mind if I just take this one?
Why would you do that? I hope you burn yourself.
No, it is pretty hot.
Yeah, you don't have cook hands, yeah.
I know.
Yeah, that's what you get. Next up, fresh lime juice, olive oil, red wine vinegar. Plain, some garlic. You can never have too much garlic for this dish. Salt, whisk it all together. Everything is looking amazing. Now it is time to remove our picanha from the heat. We know it's time because it's come up to temp. Just look at that, it's nice. Now when you slice this, let it pile up. You greedy three, don't snag immediately. Just let it hit the board first, you know? The deeper and deeper you shave, you may see more and more pink. Everyone gets their preference. If you like yours at a higher cook temperature, you're gonna get that. Delicious. This is a very simple, flavorful beef dish that you can share with your friends and loved ones. Enjoy, guys. And thank you for following along with me on this cook. Definitely give this a try. You won't regret it. To you guys, thank you. No, it's really good. It's tender, it's smoky, it's got a lot of flavor, some depth in there. Sometimes people put too much in on a beautiful cut like this and they forget, just let it ride, but enjoy what you got. That should be on a shirt, let the beef be beef. Yeah, you think you got the one?
I did.
This spread is, it's communal. You pick it up, you eat it with your hands, and you enjoy, you talk about it, you enjoy the flavors with those around you, and that's what food is about. It's supposed to bring people together, and more so now than ever after the year we've had. Treasure these moments. It's a great day to grill with beef. For this recipe and more, visit beefitswhatsfordinner.com.
Yeah.
A year old, I'm just getting better with age.
A fine wine.
Can't forget that one.
I actually, see, that's friendship. It's right there. My buddy Josh. Love him. I'm his mom's favorite. It's the truth. Beef is in my blood.